Oh, so Swap, we're going bird spotting. Dang, don't be rude. Swap. So we got our book and our binoculars, okay, Swap? We're going bird spotting.
Okay, whatever.
Swap, he loves this attitude. I will not have it. You will not spoil this trip for us just because you want your way.
Mommy,
What?
Junior invited me to his house, and I had to not do it because he knew.
Swap, Junie's party can wait another day.
No, it won't.
I know it's his birthday, but you have to wait until another day. He can have his party next time. You there, Swap? Swap bone, swappy bone.
Right, I'm going to Junior's house.
Now you are staying here. Oh,
But Mommy,
Swap,
it's cold.
Swap, you can't have your way. Look, Swap, got the nice flowers. Going down the woods. We are going bird spotting.
No.
Okay, so
I'm gonna go.
Swipe, get out of that property. Swap, we've got the binoculars. Swap, no, Swap, go away. Swap, you like to have a big garden like that.
No, I'm going to.
Swap, you are coming with us. Yes, you are, Swap.
I'm going to Junior's.
Oh, Swap, stop it.
Final.
Junior's house is like 2 hours away.
No, this is my.
Oh, fuck, crying, get down, Swap. Freddy, you excited? Freddy? Don't be shy, Freddy. We're nearly at the woods, Freddy. Both wolves.
Do that.
These are mine.
No, mine.
Hey, these right. Swap. What? Swap, just be his calm, Swap. Swap, that was out.
Fucking hell, that way.
Language, you just spoil this trip. Swap, they
just.
just don't understand us. Swap, just ignore them, Swap.
Fucking hell, there you are.
Sweet, if you swear one time, I'm gonna hit you.
I'm gonna let you.
No, don't you dare, Swap.
Oh, whatever, I'm going home.
No, Swap, so he spots them. What, I heard one. Let me get the books, Fred. So, Swap, I got the books, Swap.
Yeah.
So, Swap, let's look in the books, shall we?
No, it's not.
I think Buzz could find that one. Yep, okay. Swap, what do you see?
I see a fat cow.
Oh, shut up! Freddy, you have a look. Can't see, can you, Freddy? Okay, I'll look for that bird when she's done, Joey. So, careful, Freddy. Oh, I can see a pinky. I can see a pinky bird. That's not in the book, Buzz. Bye.